This is No Filter News, where we cut through the noise. Day 2 of jury deliberations in Sean Diddy Combs' federal trial just got serious. The jury sent a third note, this time asking to revisit testimony from two major witnesses, singer Cassie Ventura and escort Daniel Phillip. Cassie, Diddy's ex, spoke of control and abuse. Daniel described a world of sex, power, and secrets behind closed doors. The jury's focus on their stories? That says everything. They've also asked what legally counts as drug distribution, directly tied to the racketeering charge. Diddy faces 5 federal counts, including sex trafficking and transporting people for prostitution. A conviction could mean life in prison. He says he's innocent. But with tensions in the jury room and the empire under scrutiny, this trial is heating up fast.
Welcome back to Court TV Live. I'm Kelly Craft, coming to you live from Lower Manhattan. Right behind me, the federal courthouse here, where the Sean Diddy Combs sex trafficking trial has been taking place over the last several months. We are in a verdict watch. The judge right now, as we speak, is speaking. They are trying to hash out what exactly to send back to the jury, according to that jury note that they sent out, in which they wanted a lot of the testimony in regards to Cassie Ventura as well as Daniel Phillip. So we're going to have to see exactly what the judge ends up sending back. But the attorneys have been hashing it out. What are the relevant parts of the testimony that needs to be sent back? So we can take a look at it. We have a full screen made for you. This is what the third jury question is relating to. Cassie Ventura's testimony regarding the Intercontinental Hotel incident. They want some testimony regarding that. Also, Ventura's testimony regarding Khan and the events immediately following that incident. Also, Ventura's interactions, the freak-offs with escort Daniel Phillip. Additionally, Daniel Phillip's testimony about the Essex Hotel. So they have a lot of testimony that they want to take a look at. So the big question is, will Diddy be found guilty or not guilty, or exactly what will take place in this trial? We did get a chance to talk with some people that have been following the case closely. Why don't we go ahead and listen to what their thoughts are on this case?
I think that the government has done a great job in proving this case, especially I do believe it's RICO racketeering. I believe because we're not hating on Diddy's lifestyle, because that's what a lot of people are saying in my community. He has a right to do whatever he chooses to do, but he doesn't have the right to use his company, his employees, in order to run this actual, I don't know if I could say the word, lifestyle.
Do you have an opinion as to whether you think he'll be found guilty or not guilty?
I would think he would be found guilty, but, you know, stranger things have happened. So just seems like there's a lot of stuff against him, a lot of evidence against him.
What I've been listening to is that he's going to get off on technicalities. They haven't completely connected the dots, but, I mean, I'm sure he's guilty, but I don't know that they have all the proof that they need.
And deliberations have just hit the 9-hour mark. What we're hearing from inside that courtroom right now is that the judge was discussing with counsel whether they should just send back the entire 800-page transcript from all of that testimony when Cassie Ventura was on the stand. So that did kind of come up with a little discussion. There's been some back and forth on that. Now they are talking about maybe we need to whittle that down and send back just the relevant portions. We'll see what that decision is, and as soon as we find out, we will bring that to you.
This is No Filter News. Truth served raw, bold, and uncut. Hit that sub, stay loud, and catch us on the next drop. We don't fade out. We level up.